Hi guys, it rained before when I dropped my son and I was so eager to play on the water and play under the rain, but couldn't do it because I was in a hurry. So what I'm gonna do now is play my feet in the water and yeah, just enjoy it. I can see it here. It's so nice to feel the ground. Can you see that? It's nice to feel the ground. See? And there's the water there, so you feel it's 9 degrees or 7 degrees, I think. Just feel this. So cold. Let's see here. I can see 7 degrees. Oh, so cold. This is water from the rain. I love stepping on it. 7 degrees, but my feet's kinda numb now. It's nice to feel it. See this? About from the streets. Here. Thank you guys for watching my video. The next stop is the train tracks, which I will be posting for my next video. So stay tuned. See ya. Bye.